13 years old. I've been in Artistori since I was 6 years old, and today I'll be presenting to you about Blender 3D. So Blender is a free software which can be used for making desired and organic shapes from plain or 3D objects, and it can be used to make animated films, video games, 3D models, 3D printing, visual effects, and many other things. Some features of Blender is the use of textures, sculpting, colors, animation, rendering, drawing, and writing, which can be used to make the objects look more realistic. For me, I made a ice cream using Blender 3D, and this was my inspiration. All you have to do is laugh it off, and I'm sick and I don't know why. You remember that? Some of the things I use on Blender is UV wrap to hot textures of the ice cream, and the timeline to create animations, colors, and sculpting to add some, and sculpting for the ice cream scoops to help add some textures and everything inside. However, some struggles I face was not remembering certain things like importing textures from Photoshop and the certain things so that I can animate everything at the same time, and also finding the correct textures and adding the folks on the ice cream cone. Lastly, the future uses of 3D modeling. I think that 3D modeling can be very useful in our lives as it's becoming more popular nowadays as more youth are more interested in these type of things. In the future, I think that 3D modeling can improve our way of life as it can help in the film industry for animated films and creating some features in certain movies like the film. It can also be used in construction as it can be used a lot with 3D printing and making blueprints of buildings. Healthcare as it can help make 3D models of certain body parts like the heart and the lungs. And lastly, video games and virtual reality. Thank you. 'Cause in the end we're all buried deep inside the same hole in the ground.